Hi, I'm Christina. I'm a nature educator with York Professional Care and Education, and today I wanted to show you the half-hitch. The half-hitch is a really great knot for attaching a piece of rope around something. Very useful when you're tying up a tarp or attaching something to a tree or maybe a goalpost on the soccer field at your school. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the rope around and cross the tail on top, making almost a 4 shape. We're then going to tuck that tail through the hole, pull it tight. Pull it tight. Now, this is not very tight as is, but what we want to do is lock it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to now take this tail, go underneath, and stick it through the hole again. So now when we tighten it up, we're going to see we have a nice tight rope that's going to hold in place. One of the nice things about this knot is it's fairly easy to undo because it's not under a lot of tension. So when it's time to undo it, you can just pull that tail out and trace it back through. Another great trick, if you know you're going to be putting it up and you'll need to take it down quickly, is to make your tail a little bit longer. So we're going to repeat that again. We're going to bring our tail around, come over the top, make our 4, pull it through. Now, when we do the second one, we're going to go underneath, and rather than putting the tail through, we're going to bring a loop through. So that is going to allow us to again have this really nice tight knot holding very steady, but when it's time to go, we can just pull it, it comes loose and comes off. So that is the half hitch, a very useful knot for tying up tarps. Thanks very much.